children, hair loss changes more than appearance. It can make school feel far away and the mirror hard to face. It can make a child's heart feel small, and it can make a family's heart ache in silence. AesMed chose to listen to that silence. Since 2020, AesMed has continued a hair prosthesis donation campaign for children and teens living with alopecia areata. Each custom-made hair prosthesis is prepared with care, dignity, and hope, so one child can look in the mirror again and find the courage to smile. Every year, AesMed supports 5 young patients free of charge. This heart of service continues through Hair Care Day campaign. Restoring confidence, one life at a time.